Hello students, we were on percent and percentage chapter. In that exercise 7a is completed. So now we will start exercise 7b. In 7b, first word problem is a man bought a certain number of oranges out of which 13% were found rotten. A man purchased total number of oranges. In that total number of oranges 13% are rotten. He gave 75% of the remaining. After rotten oranges, the oranges left, of that oranges 75% given in charity, and after given in charity he still has 522 oranges left. So find how many had he bought, how many had he purchased in the beginning. So let the total number of oranges bought or purchased be x. Number of rotten oranges is equal to how many percent are rotten? 13%. So 13% of total oranges, that is x. So it is coming 13x upon 100. So remaining oranges, because 75% of the remaining given in charity. So first we will find the remaining oranges. So remaining oranges is equal to x minus number of rotten oranges. They are 13x upon 100. So the remaining oranges after rotten 87x upon 100. So after this, number of oranges given in charity, 75% given in charity of the remaining. So remaining 75% of 87x upon 100. So it is coming after solving 75 upon 100 of 87x upon 100. 25 3s are 25 4s are. Then 3 into 87, it is coming 261x upon 4 into 100, 400. So these number of oranges given in charity. After given in charity, number of oranges left. So left oranges is equal to 87x upon 100 minus 261x upon 100, because this number of oranges given in charity. So it is coming, LCM is coming 400, 100 into 4, 400, 4 into 87, 348x upon 100. Then 400 1 the 400, 1 into 261, 261x upon 100. After subtracting 348x minus 261x, we are getting 87x upon 100. So these 87x upon 100, 87x upon 400. So they are the left oranges and they are given to us also in numbers. So they can both equal. So 87x upon 400 is equal to 522. After cross multiply and solving, x is equal to 522 multiply 400 upon 87. So by 3, 522 and 87 are divisible. Then it is coming 174 and here it is coming 29. So 29 6 the 174. So x is equal to 6 4 the 2400. Therefore number of oranges purchased or bought is equal to 2400. This is the answer. You can see third sum. In a combined test in English and physics, the test was of English and physics, combined test. 36% candidate failed in English, 28% failed in physics, and 12% in both English and physics. Find first part, the percentage of passed candidate. We have to find the percentage of passed candidate. So failed only in English, we will find failed only in English, failed only in physics, and failed only in both. So failed only in English is equal to 36% failed in English minus failed in both 12%. So what we are getting? 24%. Failed only in English, 24%. Failed only in physics. So 28% failed in physics minus failed in both. It is coming 16%. So failed only in both, it is given, is equal to 12%. So total failed candidate. So total failed candidate are 24% plus 16% plus 12%. It is coming 52%. So 52% candidate are failed. So the percentage of passed candidate is asking. So if 52% are failed, how many percent will be passed? Total past candidate is equal to total percent 100, out of 100% 52% are failed, so 100% minus 52%, so total past candidate are 48%. It is the answer of first part. Total past candidate are 48%. Now second part is the total number of candidate appeared if 208 have failed. So how many numbers are given? 208 have failed, and it is also we have in percentage, and we have to find the total number of candidate appeared. So let the total number of candidates appeared be X. We will find the number of failed candidate in terms of X. So how many percent are failed? 52% are failed. So number of failed candidates is equal to 52% of what? 52% of total candidate, and total candidates are X. We let X. So 52% of X. What we have? 52x upon 100. We have the number of failed candidates in terms of X, and we have number of failed candidates in numbers also. Both can be equal, so we will make both the equal. So 52x upon 100 is equal to 208. So x is equal to cross multiply. 52 will come in denominator, 100 will come in numerator with 208. So 52 4s are 208. So x is equal to 4 into 100, 400 candidates. So total candidates appeared in the exam is equal to 400. See fifth sum. A's income is 25% more than B's income. Find how much percent B's income is less than A's income. So whose income is given? See, A's income is 25% more than B's. Find how much percent B's income is less than A's. No income is given. So we can let the B's income be X, because A's income is 25% more than B's. So let the B's income be rupees X. Therefore, A's income is equal to X plus how many percent more? 25%. So 25% of whose income? B's income, and B's income is X. So 25% of X. X plus 25% of B's income, that is X. So we will solve this first to get the A's income. So X plus 25x upon 100. So after solving this, it will come 125x upon 100. It is A's income. Now we have B's income rupees X and A's income 125x upon 100. Now you can see what is asking, find how much percent B's income is less than A's. B's income less than A's. So we will find B's income less than A. Then we will find its percentage. First we will find B's income less than A. So 125x upon 100 minus x. So take the LCM, because A's income is this minus B's income x. So LCM 100. 125x minus 100x is equal to 25x upon 100. B's income less than A, 25x upon 100 less than A's income. So percentage of B's income less than A's income is equal to, first how much is less? 25x upon 100 is less. So 25x upon 100. Whose income we will write in denominator? See what is written. How much percent B's income is less than A's. We are comparing B's income with A's income. So we will write A's income in denominator, and A's income is 125x upon 100 multiply by 100%. This one is main divide. So 25x upon 100, divide changes into multiply, then reciprocal 100 upon 125x into 100%. So after solving this, what we will get? See, x to x cancel, 100 to 100 cancel, 25 banda, 25 5s are 5 2s are 10. So it means 20%. It is the answer. Listen once again. Let the B's income be x. We can let 100 also. So let the B's income be rupees x. A's income is 25% more. So it is coming x plus 25% of x. After solving this, 125x upon 100. So what is asking? Find how much percent B's income is less than A. So first we will find in rupees, then we will make in percent. So B's income less than A is equal to 125x upon 100 minus x. So what we are getting? 25x upon 100. So percentage of B's income less than A's income is equal to, first how much is less? 25x upon 100 upon whose income we will take in denominator? A's income, because we are comparing with A's income, multiply by 100%. So 25x upon 100 multiply reciprocal, then multiply 100. After solving this, we are getting 25%. So the percentage of B's income less than A's income is 25%. It is the answer.